Hi, I'm Nico from Digital Data Communications. We have 3 brands and one of our brands is Conceptronic. For you I have now the docking station DONN27G. It can connect up to 3 screens and is with the display link technology. So even your MacBook Pro M1 or M2 can use up to 3 screens. In the box also comes the additional power supply, and you can charge it with 100 watts. Furthermore, you have USB-C, USB-A connectors, a card reader, a slot for your headphones, and Ethernet connection. So check out our product on conceptronic.net and find many more display docking stations.